Morning guys, and in front of me is SONY Xperia 17, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security, go to fingerprint manager, draw an unlock pattern, and as you can see now you need to enter your fingerprint. The sensor is located on your power button, so just keep tapping. Okay, so maybe let's hold it like this. Okay, at first we need to mark next, and now let's tap on a fingerprint sensor till it's fully added. As you can see, it may take some time. The sensor is not the quickest one, but let's patiently tap till it's fully added. Yeah, it got some patience, but finally it's done. So mark done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.